Let's talk about exercising during a fast. A lot of people, they ask me about it all the time. Can I exercise? Did you exercise? Do you exercise? Is it safe? Let me break it down for you. Are you doing OMAD? Are you doing intermittent fasting? If you're doing either of those two, you can work out with absolutely no restrictions to your workout. You can work out as if you are not fasting. Now, are you trying to do an extended fast where you're pushing past 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, 10 days, whatever? Well, then you still can work out with very few restrictions. You can still do your HIIT training. You can still do your regular cardio. I normally walk 6 hours a day. It's not a problem. Your body adapts. You can still lift weights. The only thing that I would not advise is if you're doing an extended fast, do not lift a lot of heavy weights. Don't push yourself and tear down your muscle too far. But during a fast, your growth hormone level production is increased. Because of that, you can actually make some really dense muscle while you're fasting. You're just not going to get big muscle while you're fasting. So, to shorten it down, to make it very easy to understand, fasting for 1 day, 2 days, no restrictions. Work out as hard as you want for as long as you want. 3 days and plus, you can still work out as long as you want and as hard as you want. Just don't do heavy weights. Personally, I've pushed as far as 12 hours on the elliptical in a single day while water fasting. I think I did a 21-day fast, and I was doing 8 to 12 hours on the elliptical every single day of that fast to put my burn level so high that my rate of burn was 2 pounds per day. It was crazy. It was over a 7,000 calorie daily burn. Because of that, I learned a lot about what my body can handle. And you'll learn just as much about what your body can handle. You are an individual. So I'm not saying that if you've never worked out before, you should just jump up and run and do all of the hard exercises that you saw on this video one time when you were young. No, but everyone should be doing cardio every single day. That's everyone. That's not just us fasters. That's everyone. Everyone should do cardio every single day. Everyone. Cardio. Every day. So, working out, 2 thumbs up. Rock on it. And I'll see you next class.